Okay, today I'm gonna make some capsules. I make my own turmeric. I buy it bulk organic and it's very simple. Take some capsules, the bigger one goes here, the little one goes in there. Oops, where did it go? There it is. The slippery little bugger. So what you do, you put a big end of the capsule here, the little one in there. So big one in here, press it in, the little one in here. Sometimes the capsules are a little bit dry and harder to get in, but just persevere. Don't get vegan ones because vegan ones will crack on you more often and you waste a few. They're inexpensive, but these are just as good. It's a standard capsule that's used by the pharmaceutical company, so a bit of collagen in your system. You put all 24 together, and if you remember when you're doing these, you use a third one, number 3 here, put the number 3 in there, so that you don't try to put one on the other. They'll only go this way. The big machine, a big box takes the big one, the little cover takes the little one, so you can't mess it up. The slippery little buggers in here, next one. Doesn't take long to fill them up, very quick. And then you put in your powder. I'll show you how that is done. There we go. 4 more to go after this one. Make sure you don't wear a white t-shirt because you sometimes can get the powder on your shirt and it won't come out too easily. But turmeric is the #1 fighter globally. Nothing better against COVID or respiratory illnesses than turmeric. Curcumin. Okay, so you've got them all in, and you get your powder. Put it in here. It's about a spoon and a half that goes in. You spread it all around, fill it up. Then you've got them all in. Then you use this one, you push the product down into it. And you keep filling it up. Then you've got all of it in. Show you what to do later. If there's too much left over, you press it down again. Do this about 3 or 4 times till you get all the product in and it's all compressed. If you're short, add a little bit more. Again, spread it around. Fill up all the little holes. And by now the capsules are all full. Any surplus, you return it back, and that's what you have, your full capsules. Now your lids are in this one, so all you do is now put this on top. You reverse the base around, that's all, and you press on it. And then you pull them out. You've got 24 tablets, capsules. You push this in, Most will come out. If not, just pull them out. Now, depending on how well you've done it, just make sure that you have compressed the lid so that the lid doesn't get undone when you package it. And there in this jar I have 200 capsules. I take 6 a day, 3 in the morning, 3 in the evening, guaranteed to protect you from inflammatory issues, including respiratory viruses that travel globally via trade winds. They're not pass human to human so easily, and they travel all over the world. And once they travel, then they are passed around from human to human. But you can have New Zealand closed down with 0 cases, and in no time you will have trade winds bring them over. Turn this back around, start the process again. I'm out of capsules, so I've got to finish, but that's how you do it. That's what it is. Little box here costs $20. These work out to about 3 cents a capsule, 2.5, 3 cents a capsule. And the powder, you get a pound for about $6, and that does probably about 400. A full jar like this costs about $6, and it do about maybe 500-600 capsules. So it's incredibly cheaper than buying them at a supermarket. I do 12 different products. I've got here ginger, organic nigella seeds. I've got organic horny goat weed. I've got roasted chicory, marshmallow root, good for stomach illnesses, organic wormwood, another anti-inflammatory, slippery elm for stomach issues, organic licorice root powder, stomach issues, and what else is here? Ashwagandha, another anti-inflammatory. The best stuff you can do. Help yourself, heal yourself. The government will never heal you, and neither with the criminal jabs that people are taking. A disaster. Thanks for watching.